Hello and welcome members. In this video we will explore how to configure advanced mailbox permissions in Exchange Online using PowerShell. You will learn how to assign full access, send as, and send on behalf permissions crucial for assistance, shared mailboxes, or team-based collaboration. Let's start by connecting to Exchange Online using the connect-exchange online commandlet, and this gives us administrative access to manage mailbox permission. Well, let's paste the command and then discuss regarding the command. So full access permission does what it allows the delegate to open and read the entire mailbox of another user. So this command assign full access for delegate user, which is right now here is the JSS test user at the jssdmv2.on Microsoft.com to the primary user, and which is the shared mailbox, that's the team at the rate b2pservice.com. So right now the primary email address, which is this teams at b2p service, and the delegate is JSS test user 2. So what will happen that this command assign the full access for the delegate user JSS to the primary team at the rate b2p service. And once we execute this commandlet, then we will show you that how it gives the access, and we will verify that. Then press enter, and in a while it will complete its task, and you will see that the identity is team and user ID, object ID is mentioned, and here's the access right, which is the full access. And now let's verify this, or we can verify later on after we done all the permissions and we provided this primary user all the permission of the delegate user. Now let's review the grant send as permission. And send as allow the delegate to send emails as if they are the primary mailbox owner, and the recipient sees the sender as a primary mailbox, not the delegate. So the command is what? Add recipient permission dash identity teams at the rate b2pservice.com, and the trustee is what? The JSS test user 2 at the jssdmv2.microsoft.com, and the access right now is the send as. Now here you can see that this teams at the rate b2p is the primary and this is the delegate. So let's run the command, and you have already understand what it will do. And we have already discussed and we have recorded the same video and already uploaded over our platforms regarding this delegate and send as permission thing. But this video has been captured over the Microsoft 365 portal, and that was the GUI based video, and this is the CLI based video using the PowerShell. Now in the last run send as on behalf permission, so let me paste the command and then discuss. So it does what? That send on behalves allow the delegate to send emails on behalf of the mailbox owner, and the recipient sees the email as sent by the delegate at dash domain something on the behalf of the primary. So here we have this delegate, that is the JSS temp user 2 at the JSSDMV2. And the primary right now here, the teams at the B2B service. So this delegate will send the email on behalf of the primary. So we will execute the command because we already explained it, and the command is really simple. Now it's time to view the full access that has been granted by executing the previous commands. So first let's view the mailbox permission, and for that we are going to run this command get-mailbox permission-identity teams at the rate b2pservice.com, then press enter, and here you can see that identity team user JSS user 2 at the rate JSDMV2. So this is the mailbox permission of this teams at the rate b2p service. Then we will going to review the send as permission. So here you can see that get-recipient-permission-identity and the simple command, and here you can see that the team has the trustee, which is the JSS test user 2 at JSSDMV2 account, and the access right is send as, and the access control type is allowed. So let's review the third one, and this is again the simple, and it shows the view permission, the permission of send on behalf, and here you can see the keyboard is already added there to explain itself. So here's the send on behalf object ID. So that's how you can view after configuring those permissions in the PowerShell environment. And after that, if you want to revoke permissions, so let's start with the full access. We will use almost the same command with the keyword is starting remove-mailbox permission, then press enter, and in a while the command will perform its operation. Then the second command, that does what? It will revoke the permission for the send as. So press enter to execute this command again, and this also executed, which means this remove recipient permission has been done. And then the last, which is this one, send mailbox identity. This is for grant send on behalf to permission, and if you wanted to verify that, then go like that, and here you can see the object ID has been removed, which tells that the permission has been revoked. Same with the get mailbox permission, and same would happen with this, the recipient permission. So there you go. Now to revoke permission, we use these sort of commands, and that's how you can manage full access, send as, and send on behalf permissions in Exchange Online using PowerShell. These configurations streamline collaboration securely and efficiently.